If you want to change your life, you need to be busy. Pack your schedule. The more active you are, the more you will achieve true winners. Don't have time for things that don't help them reach their goals, so focus on what really matters every single day. Everyone wants success, but few want to work for it. Most people love the idea of winning, but hate the process. But loving the process is key. Don't just wish for success, work for it. The world only rewards the best to be the best. Focus on one thing and master it. What's controlling your thoughts? What's holding you back? Is it the TV showing you a life you think you should have? Is it the internet eating up your time? Maybe it's drugs or alcohol, numbing your brain and killing your motivation. Or could it be your own lack of discipline, stopping you from reaching your goals? Wherever you focus, your energy flows. So let's use that power now for your life and business. Many people waste their days on distractions. Think about it. What do you need to stop doing right away? Is it too much social media or binge watching TV shows? What's eating up your time? Cut it out and take control of your life. Ask yourself, what do you need to start doing? What should you do every day, every week, every month to be your best self? Discipline gives you the freedom to do what you really want. Sacrifice leads to gains. Don't expect rewards without putting in the work. You can't make millions if you don't work for it. If you want to change your life, you need to be busy. Pack your schedule. The more active you are, the more you will achieve. True winners don't have time for things that don't help them reach their goals, so focus on what really matters. Every single day, many people want someone else to support their dream, but it's your dream and you need to make it happen. Wake up early, work hard, and don't rely on others. Tomorrow isn't promised, so make today count. No one will care about your dream as much as you do, and they don't have to. It's your job to make it happen. Everyone wants success, but few want to work for it. Most people love the idea of winning, but hate the process. But loving the process is key. Don't just wish for success, work for it. The world only rewards the best to be the best. Focus on one thing and master it. Successful people concentrate on one goal. They don't chase after many things at once. Be focused and consistent. If you want to win, you must be obsessed with your goal. Focus on it every day. Work hard and say no to distractions. Create a schedule and stick to it. Make each day the best it can be by planning it out. More discipline now means more freedom. Later, if you're serious about your goals, ask yourself, what's distracting you? Is it sports, movies, video games, or gossip? Identify and eliminate these distractions. Be focused on your goal for years, not just days. Be so hungry for your dream that nothing can stop you. Our obsessions become our possessions. If you want to own your success, you must be obsessed with it. Turn off the TV and focus on your life. Your sacrifices are signs of progress. The cost of not making your dream come true is higher than the cost of making it happen. Decide what you're willing to sacrifice to achieve your dreams and stop negotiating the price. Committing to your goals is freeing. It removes doubts and distractions. So shut out the world. Stop being distracted and focus on yourself. Take care of your own needs first. Then you can help others. You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. But if you want to win and succeed, you have to be disciplined. Great things come from sacrifice and hard work. Achieving your goals isn't easy, but it's worth it every day. Do something that moves you closer to your goal. No step is too small. The goal won't achieve itself. It's up to you. Winning isn't just about the final game. It's about the practice, the decisions, and the work you put in every day focus on your goal. Cut off the distractions and do your job the best. Don't do different things. They do the same things over and over again. Keep hitting the same target and you will succeed. Be consistent, deliberate, and intentional work every day towards your goal. And over time, you will win. Stop hoping for good things to happen. Make them happen. It's grind season. Focus on your future and put in the work. There are no shortcuts or discounts to success. It's always about hard work, sacrifice, and discipline. You may not be the best, but you can outwork everyone when you find your why. Nothing will stop you. Keep pushing, keep grinding, and you will achieve your dreams. You've just finished listening to the show. To view other episodes, please click on the playlist icon currently displayed on the screen. Thank you.